Welcome back to the channel where we break down important global topics in a simple and practical way. Today, we are talking about a very sensitive yet important topic that affects millions of people across the world. We are exploring immigration. Options for unmarried couples in 2025. Whether you are in a long-term relationship planning to reunite with your partner or looking for a way to move together to a new country, this video is for unmarried couples have long faced unique challenges. In the immigration process, unlike married couples who can present a marriage certificate and access clear legal pathways, unmarried partners often need to prove their commitment in different ways. But in 2025, the good news is that more countries are recognizing genuine partnerships even without legal marriage. In this video, we will walk through countries that support immigration for unmarried partners, requirements you must meet, what kind of proof you need, common mistakes to avoid, and practical advice for your next steps. Let us dive right in. Section 1. Understanding the legal difference. The first thing to understand is that immigration systems often categorize partners as either legally married or de facto. If you are not married, you must usually prove you are in a de facto relationship, also known as a common law relationship or a civil union, depending on the country. This means that immigration officials want to see evidence that your relationship is genuine, stable, and long-term. They want to see that you live together, share financial responsibilities, and have been committed to each other for a specific period, often 1 to 2 years. This is different from a casual relationship or someone you just started dating. The stronger your proof, the better your chances. Section TWO. Countries that accept unmarried couples in 2025. Here are some of the top countries that allow immigration sponsorship or residency applications for unmarried partners. Canada continues to lead in inclusive immigration options through the family class sponsorship or the common law partner stream. You can apply to bring your partner to Canada even without marriage. You must show that you have lived together for at least 1 year in a marriage-like relationship. You will need shared utility bills, bank accounts, lease agreements, and photos to support your claim. United Kingdom. In the United Kingdom, the unmarried partner visa allows you to live with your partner for up to 2.5 years with a path to permanent residency. You must prove 2 years of living together and show that your relationship is genuine. Your partner must also meet financial income requirements, and you must speak English at a basic level. Australia offers the de facto partner visa as part of the partner migration program. You must prove that you have been in a genuine relationship for at least 1 year and ideally have been living together. Shared housing, rental agreements, joint accounts, social media interactions, and statutory declarations from friends or family can strengthen your case. New Zealand allows the partner of a citizen or resident to apply for a visa based on their relationship. You must show a stable relationship of at least 12 months with shared living arrangements and emotional commitment. New Zealand immigration is known for being thorough, so strong evidence is Germany and other EU countries. Several European countries, including Germany, Netherlands, and Sweden, accept long-term partners under specific family reunification or cohabitation categories. Most of these require you to have lived together in the same home for at least 1 year and may ask for legal proof from your home country if civil unions are recognized. Section 3. Required documents and proof. Now let us talk about the kind of proof immigration offices look for in unmarried partner applications. 1. Evidence of cohabitation. This includes shared rental agreements or property ownership, both your names on utility bills or official letters delivered to the same address over time, to joint finances, joint bank accounts, shared credit cards, insurance policies, or tax returns filed together. 3. Photos and social history. Pictures from travels, family events, holidays with timestamps and captions showing you have been together consistently. For communication, records, emails, messages, or call logs over time that show a sustained connection, especially during long-distance periods. 5. Statutory declarations or affidavit statements from friends, family, or co-workers who can vouch for your relationship. 6. Travel history together, plane tickets, hotel bookings, or travel plans made as a couple over months or years. Make sure you organize your documents in a timeline and label everything clearly. The stronger your organization, the easier it is for the immigration officer to understand and believe in the genuineness of your partnership. Section 4. Common mistakes to avoid. 1. Assuming love is enough. Immigration authorities are not measuring your emotions, but rather the structure and stability of your relationship based on documentation. To applying with weak proof, not living together Or having limited financial ties makes it harder to get approval, so wait until your case is strong. 3. Submitting inconsistent documents. Make sure your dates, names, and information match across all your files. For overlooking translation, if your documents are in a language other than the destination country's language, make sure you submit certified translations. 5. Ignoring legal advice. In some countries like the United Kingdom and Canada, it is wise to consult an immigration advisor to help you prepare a flawless case. Section 5. Options. If you cannot prove a relationship yet, some couples may not meet the requirements right away, but there are still ways to stay together while building a future. You can both apply as independent applicants for study or work visas in the same country. For example, one partner can get a student visa while the other applies for a work permit. After living together for a year in that country, you can apply for a partner visa. Some countries also offer fiancé or prospective marriage visas that allow you to enter with the intention of marrying within a certain period. Section 6. Tips to build a strong case for the future. If you are in a long-distance relationship and plan to live together soon, here are steps to take. Start collecting communication records. Now plan extended visits and take pictures together. Keep receipts from travel and activities. Open a joint bank account or share a subscription. Save messages from friends and family who talk about your relationship. In small steps taken consistently over time can become powerful evidence. Later immigration as an unmarried couple in 2025 is more possible than ever, but it requires preparation, honesty, and patience. With the right strategy and strong evidence, many countries now welcome committed partners to build a life together. If you and your partner are ready to take this step, do not rush. Take time to build your proof and choose the best pathway for your situation. If you are unsure where to start or what to do next, have questions about the video, or need clarity, book a one-on-one session. Full info in the description box.